Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We have a kind of a warm, wet December morning for you guys. Another first on the channel. I'm very, very excited about it. You know, I'm big on doing things for the first time and being the first person in the country to do it, or the first shop in the country to do it. So I thought I've checked everything off the list already and done the first of everything you can do, but today's another new day. So we're doing a 7-inch McGaughys lift kit on a 2025, I believe it's a 2025, I'll have to make sure, 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X AEV edition. Check it out, let me know what you think. All right, so it is raining like crazy outside. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. I do need to figure out what year it is, if it's a 24 or 25, but I'm so excited to film it, I didn't even look in the computer. This is the, like I said, the AEV bumper for sure on the front, so I'm assuming this is the AEV edition and he didn't just buy this bumper for it. The AT4X looks amazing. It's got this bronze finish right here in the grill that I really, really love. I think it looks nice. And then it has a little bit different fender trimming on it, you can see here. A little bit different wheels on it. The truck looks beautiful. It has this, what I call a Chuck Norris bar in the back. I don't know if that's factory, but it might be. It just looks like the truck that was on Walker Texas Ranger when I was a kid. I remember that. Anyways, we're gonna do a full video on this one. Has the 6.2 in it. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Well, we've got our black GMC Sierra AT4X AEV edition done. These suffixes are getting crazy, man. I can't keep up with them. There's too many. Like, think about this. GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. Think about how many words that is for a model of a vehicle. This one has more. This is the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X AEV edition. The truck looks amazing, so I'm going to go over the details of what we did to it and let me know what you think. And by the way, I'm pretty sure this is the first one in the world with a McGaughys kit on it. So there you go. Thank you. They said that the 7 to 9 inch kit would have issues on this truck, and I understand completely why. We completely converted those shocks that you saw earlier in the video, the Multimatic DSSV shocks. We had to basically take all the strut hardware that's required from the regular Sierra and put it with the McGaughys strut, the 7 to 9 inch strut here. This one is set at this one is set at 7 inches, sorry, which is the lower setting on the truck. There's our beautiful McGaughys 7 to 9 inch cross member. The AEV edition AT4X here has this big, huge metal piece that's it's kind of in the way. It had to be modified to make the cross member work right there, but it works. The bumper on this truck is totally different than the standard Sierra. There's the difference. You see AEV right there on the license plate. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think about the truck in the comments. The tires that we did here are the 35 1250 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, and the wheel we did is the 22 by 12 Fuel Assault with the black and red. Looks pretty cool. Once again, there's this bar in the back. I believe it came on the truck from the factory, but if it didn't, just let me know in the comments. I know you guys know more about this kind of stuff than I do. I'm just your lift kit guy, really. So 6.2 liter V8, very, very good motor. Overall, I'm super impressed, and I hope the customer loves it. Thanks for watching, guys. Just another quick one to throw in the video for you guys. We have I believe this is a 2024 Chevy 2500. Now, remember the Z71, the LT, and the LS packages did not get the facelift in 2024 like the GMCs and the new Chevy High Countries and stuff like that. So it does have the old front end. We're going to be doing a 295/65/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is that 35-inch tire that holds all that weight. It's not as wide. It doesn't rub or anything when you turn all the way. We're going to be doing the 3-inch Cognito. This is their leveling system with upper control arms. I don't know what shocks he has in it. The customer brought me this kit, so stay tuned. We'll check it out. Got our Chevy 2500 done. Just to go over the build one more time, this is a small in and out one, but we did the 3-inch Cognito leveling system with the Fox reservoir shocks on it. And we did some 295/65/20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. If you guys have any questions about the tire sizes, go back to my last video that I just posted this week, and there's a good tire explanation of all the different sizes you can get for these trucks on there. Once again, I want to say I appreciate it if the customer's watching. Truck turned out beautiful. Thanks, guys.